You can expect a lot from the 2008 Acura TSX. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Acura prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.